Good morning, everyone. My name is Meghana. I'm studying 6th class from head section. Today, my shadow puppet came. The story name is The Golden Axe. There were two friends, Nandu and Chandu. Chandu is very lazy. Nandu went away even the sun didn't rise. But Chandu is even sleeping. Even sun came and he didn't even open his blanket. One day, Nandu went to a forest. Then he saw a wealthy tree, a big thing. Then he started cutting it. When he started cutting it, the axe fell down into the river. Then he cried and cried and he prayed to the water god. Then the god of the water appeared and asked, "What happened, my dear? Why are you crying?" Then Nandu said, "My axe fell down and I don't have anything else." Then she got into the water and she brought a golden one. He said, "It's not mine." Then she got a silver one. Then the same answer came from him when she got his one. He is very happy and took it and went away. Because of that, she gave a prize of the three gold, silver, and his to him because of his truthfulness. Then he told to his wife, and Chandu listened very carefully and went to that forest only. And wantedly he threw his axe and prayed to the god. And the god of the water came and asked the same question. He told, My axe is gone in the river." Then she got his axe only and he told, "It's not mine." And she yelled at him and took his axe too. Then he cried and cried and cried. Thank you.